Hi everybody, today we are setting up Merlyn Display on your new line panel. This will work on either the Q Pro or the Q21 series panels. There are a few things to check before we get up and going. Number one, make sure that your IT admin has claimed your organization in the Merlyn management portal, and that they have added the licenses and the list of users to your roster. On your panel, click on Settings, scroll all the way down to About Tablet, and you are looking for firmware version. This number right here is a year 2025. That's what you want. You want the most up-to-date firmware that you can. If you don't have anything from this year, go ahead and update it, please. Next up, passwords and accounts. Make sure you are signed in under your Google account here on your panel. That will speed things up later on. Last, go ahead and open your browser and go to portal.merlyn.org and log in. So those are the three things to check on. That was firmware is up to date. That was you are logged into the panel with your account, and you're logged into the teacher portal here with your account. Great, let's get to it. On the Q Pro, you will go to the Google Play Store. On the Q21, you'll go to the New Line Apps Store. Once you open it up, search for Merlyn. When it comes up, go ahead and click Install and wait for it to go. Now, I've already downloaded it because I didn't want to waste time on this video. So you can just click Open and it'll open up, or come over here, tap on the icon. From this point, we have a data privacy agreement to accept first. Then we have a QR code to register this panel, to attach the panel to one of the licenses in your org. With your phone, scan this QR code and follow the on-screen directions. I'll guide you through it here on this screen today. So we're going to scan that code. It will take us to a specific registration page for your panel. Select your org. It'll probably be the name of your district or your school. Type in a custom name just so they know whose panel it is or where it is. So I'm going to say Matt's panel. And then I'm going to click Submit. Panel is registered. Fantastic. Let's open up that app and wait for it to recognize that I have registered the panel. Wonderful. Success. Click Continue. Next up, we have another QR code, and you're thinking, oh my gosh, I just did this. This one is to actually sign you into the app. Again, scan that with your camera on your phone, or click on portal.merlyn.org/devices, and we're going to type in this code manually, okay? So I'm going to go here and go for portal.merlyn.org/devices. I'm going to click Add Device, and I'm going to type in this code, AT. I'm going to try an L and then YYI. Capital A, capital A, capital T, capital I, YYI, and then YY lowercase I, and log in. Okay, so that's clearly not an I, that must be a lowercase L. And log in. Successfully logged in. Great. So we head back over to the app. It's going to ask you to accept the terms and conditions. When you are ready, click I accept and log in. Once you're here and logged in, you should see your little Google icon in the corner, and try it out with a simple command. Good morning. Right now, you need to approve the app to use the microphone, so click while using the app. Success. Issue that command a second time. Good morning.
Good morning to you too.
We are up and running. Have a great day, y'all.